The office space was definitely a very important space into our design. Our clients work from home, so we wanted to make sure that when we designed the space, we took into consideration how their work life works and bring all these elements just to make sure the space was comfortable and to their needs. So having the fireplace as a focal point, we decided to do shiplap planks, so we can see that little farmhouse element there. Again, the green color, just to mimic nature coming into the space. And we design a cabinetry to the side of the fireplace. As every space have some kind of elements that are very emotionally connected to our clients, so this desk was really important to them to keep it as one of them built it from scratch. So that's definitely was an important piece in the office, and we wanted to make sure that the design worked around it. So the last piece on the puzzle is this little corner sitting area where they can relax, read a book from their library, and just spend the afternoon relaxing in their space.